guys, this is Steven from Artsy Mood Vibes, and today I'm going to be exploring 3 places: Gütersteiner Wasserfall, Uracher Wasserfall, and the ruins. And the weather is not looking good. Damn it. So I'm walking towards the Burgruine first. Despite the weather, there are a lot of people actually hiking. It's around 2 p.m. I'm trying to be positive that the weather is going to be all right. Feels great. Feels really great. Yeah, boy. This way. This Burgruine better be fucking good, man. And also Gütersteiner Wasserfall. I'm looking forward to that. I've seen pictures taken in springtime, but right now it's like in between time, like April here. It's pretty cold, beginning of spring. One good thing is that there's no more rain, so that's good. 1.2 kilometers up. Probably take this route and then go all the way up there. It's a sign of spring. I mean, it is spring, but it's cold as fuck. I'm definitely getting close to Burgruine. Some giant ass tree. Oh, not so steep anymore. So it's 0.2 kilometers. Oh, man. This is my face right now. Not so steep anymore, my ass. It's getting steeper towards the end. I can see the glimpse of the ruins, but it's steep as fuck. But I can get there. It's gonna be good once I get to the top. That looks very big.
I am cutting in the sugar cane.
Almost formidable. I'm not tired out or anything. I can keep going. I'm sweaty, that's all. It's a piece of cake here, you know? Nice. I think this is it. This is it. Victory! That's the entrance. You know what? Actually, before I go up, I'm gonna explore the tunnels. Oh, nice. It's like a sniper spot.
Fucking camper. Get your hands up.
What is this? Damn, it's going down.
Down, 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 down.
Alright, so enough of exploring the caves.
Okay, let's go.
I'm getting up there right now, going through another tunnel. And yeah, we'll see the great view from top. Well, this isn't the way I imagined, but okay. Oh, I need to take this one then. This is the view, man. It's so cool. Wow. It's just a friendly reminder that when you come up here, don't try to jump off or anything.
Do it!
Off to next destination.
Let's go!
I have to get to the Uracher Wasserfall, 1.8 kilometers this way. But I have no time. You guys know what I feel like right now? I feel like I'm one of those mountain monks, just going through the mountain areas, just like I'm getting there. I can hear the waterfall sound and I can see the glimpse through the trees. I'll hurry myself up, guys, don't worry.
I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready.
Right there, is the Burgruine, and that's where I came from. It took me about, I don't know, probably like 20 minutes to get to all the way up here. I would say that's pretty impressive, I guess. I was actually gonna go down and take some more shots from down there because that would be amazing, but I'm gonna go straight to the Gütersteiner Wasserfall. I have to. It's 4.7 kilometers away from here, you know. This way looks very dangerous. It's a narrow path. Look, I can just fall down right here, but that's not gonna happen because I am the travel meister, the master of showing you guys the nature. Somehow I'm doing lots of nature vlogs. I guess it's pretty cool. It's relaxing to film the nature, and it's quiet, and I can talk on the camera like this and no one really cares. I want to show you guys some energetic, powerful, something's happening videos too. And the sun is out. Look at that. The sun is out. Finally. Oh no. I took the wrong path, guys. My time is a little bit delayed. No worries. You know what, actually? You know, since I took the wrong way and everything,
We'll do it live! Fuck it!
for you guys, I will show you what's down there. I think I can manage that. So I'm going down to see the Uracher Wasserfall. This is a long way down. I have to come back up to get to Gütersteiner Wasserfall, but that's okay. Maybe there's a way from down there, you know? I mean, if there's water flooded here, I don't think I would be going down. No, just kidding. I would do anything for you guys, of course, man. I was actually excited about the other one too, since this one is the popular one. The other one is not so popular one, but we'll see. Sometimes not so popular ones are actually better than the popular mainstream ones, just like music.
What is nothing?
What is nothing? Now that's deep.
Another checkpoint here. There's a Gütersteiner Wasserfall, which is 3.9 kilometers, and I have to take this road. Oh wow, the sun. So I'm on my way to the last and final stop. It says Gütersteiner Wasserfall, 3.4 kilometers this way. 3.4 kilometers, man. It's the stream. And I need to take this specific log to cross it, 1 foot down, and yes. So guys, oh, this is a long way, man. My stamina is running low, and I am so glad that I have this emergency food. And I think I have to take the left one to get there. Yeah, man. One bad news is that my power bank is low. I have only 30% battery left in this camera and probably like 60% on my drone. I need to really save the energy.
If you're done with the computer, remember, shut it off.
The sun is kind of going down and I'm kind of worried. It's a big ass house or mansion. I don't know, barracks. Guys, I'm actually getting worried. What if I'm lost? There's no one around. Whew. Every time I'm taking the wrong route, I have to go all the way around, and I find the shortcut at the end of the route, which is kind of annoying. Oh man, if I only knew the shortcuts. Guess what I see, guys? Muddy terrain. And also, guess what I can hear now? The sound of waterfall. Man, I think I made it. I was so scared that I took the wrong route or something. Man, but my battery is really low, so I have to save it for the big last
Wow!
moment. This is really unique waterfall. The colors, man, they're brown and yellowish, and it's covered in moss. So guys, I finally made it to Gütersteiner Wasserfall. Man, I thought I was getting lost, and it's a pretty good feeling to get here finally. Man, it's amazing. It's really, it's compared to Uracher Wasserfall, this is smaller, of course, but man, it's a cozy spot. It's a really cozy place. Like, you can like come with small group of friends and hang out here. Just look at this. Look at this. Ah.
Oh my god!
Nice.
Oh my god!
You can even see through the water, which is nice. This place is really cozy. Thank you, Philip, for recommending this spot. If you have any recommendations, anything, or specific places that you guys want me to visit, just comment down below so that I will visit for you and make a documentary out of it. Well, this has been a memorable experience from Burgruine to Uracher Wasserfall, and lastly, Gütersteiner Wasserfall. Wow. Feels great that I achieved everything today. I was kind of scared that I wouldn't be able to finish the last. Amazing, this place. I would have missed it. I'm glad that I pushed through and finally made it to the spot. So make sure to subscribe, comment down below, and share this video with other people. And as always, see you in the next video. Bye.